everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Namrata here. Hope you all are doing good and still staying safe, staying in. And today I thought to come up with yet another lip swatch video, and it's not only the lip swatches. I'm going to review something very new. Not very new, it's been in the market for last 2 months maybe, but not more than that. So this is the newly launched Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte Lip Colors. So I got 6 of them, and I think they are now available in India. So these are very inexpensive. In USA it costs $2.99, and in India it's around 350 rupees. So it's not that pricey, but I really love Wet n Wild quality, their pigments. I tried their lip colors before, so those were really good. So I thought to try these new ones, and I think they had Mega Last matte lip colors before, but this time they made some changes on the packaging and they came up with some new shades. So these are all new shades, and I think the shades I'm going to share with you today, this would be good for all Indian skin colors. And I just checked, these lip colors are available on Hawk Makeup in India and as well as on Nykaa, so you can buy these lip colors from both the platforms. So let's start with Bare It All. And the packaging, you can see it's pretty simple. It's pure black plastic packaging. There's the brand name written in the bottom, and there's a metal kind of lips embedded on the packaging. And here's the shade. It's pretty simple, and here there's a transparent top, that way you can see which shade it is, and also there's a color coded labeling in the bottom, so that way you can see which one is which. So now let's start applying. Well, now it's completely settled on my lips. It's been almost 5 minutes since I wore this, and I think now it's time to share with you how I feel about it. So the first thing I'd say, it's nicely pigmented. You just saw with 2 coats it covered up my lips, but that's not the case with most of the light shade lipsticks, because I have naturally tinted lips, so it's not always easy to cover up my lips with light lip colors, especially with this kind of bullet style lip colors. These are not always very nicely pigmented, but with this one I'm a bit surprised because it covered up my lips so nicely. But I think this shade particularly needs a lip liner, needs a little dark lip liner on my skin tone. It's looking little washed out, but pigmentation is good and it feels very comfortable on my lips. Although it says it's matte lip color, but I can still feel little creaminess into it. The formula is so good. It's very lightweight and comfortable. So now let's move forward with the next one. Wow, I'm already in love with this lip color. It's a very nice brown tone mauve, and I think it's good for any skin color. Even if you're very fair or very dark, it would be a good lip color for you. And texture wise, again, it's same as the other lip colors. It's very comfortable on lips, but it doesn't look very matte, not exact matte on lips. You can see it still has a little sheen, although when I was applying it, it was feeling very creamy, but now it just settled down on my lips, and it has a very nice comfortable texture, which is not very matte or very creamy, somewhere in between. I'm loving this lip color so far. Now let's move forward with the next one. I'm already in love with this lip color. It would be a very good everyday sort of brown, and I think it's complementing my skin color so well. So if you're someone from medium dark skin color, then I think this lip color would be so good for you. I really need need to appreciate the pigment in it. I think the darker the shade, the better pigment you'll get with this lip colors from this range. And the shade I'm wearing right now, it's called Cherry Picking, and you can see the shade is looking so good on my lips. It's such a pretty shade, and it's very close to Nice to Fuchsia lip color from their Catsuit Liquid Matte Lipstick. If you have that one, then you know how it might look on you, and it's good for any skin tones out there. So this was it, and now I'm gonna talk about the next shade, that is called Wine Room. You can wear it to college, office, anywhere, anytime you can rock it. And this color has very subtle coralish undertone to it, which makes it so warm and sweet. Although it's called Wine Room, so I was expecting it would be something close to wine color, but it's not wine at all. It's a exact pink. And for the last shade, I'm here with a red color. This is called Spotlight Red. And with this red, I'm done with all the lip swatches, but I'd say this red is not my favorite kind of red. I always look for a red shade which has warm undertone to it, but this one has a blue undertone. So if you're very fair, or if you have cool undertone, then you can try this lip color. But overall, this color is good. It's a perfect red shade. And one thing I really need to show you, that if these colors are transfer proof. So I was having a little bit of tea while I was lip swatching, so let me show you. It transfers a pretty good amount of pigment. So this formula is good, very comfortable, but it's not completely matte. You can call it demi matte, and everything is good about this lip color. For $2.99 you are getting really nice lip color. The pigment wise, these are actually so good, and they have nice range of shades. So overall, it's a good experience with this lip colors. If you want, you can definitely give it a try. It's actually good. So this was all for today's video. I hope you found this lip swatches helpful and the informations are helpful. Then don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.